Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jeff from Weathersmith. Thanks for joining our 4 o'clock weather update. Big thanks to Alliance Maintenance. Alliance Maintenance Incorporated excites our customers by creating a clean and orderly place to work. This group is based out of Springfield. They also have offices and locations in Tulsa. Sorry, it's been a long day. We're still going. But thanks for Alliance for sponsoring Weathersmith for this weather update. All right, let's look at current conditions, and then we will move over to the models. So here's current radar. I also have temperatures overlaid: 10 degrees Joplin, 12 degrees Tulsa, Oklahoma City down to 9 degrees. If you notice, we've got more widespread snow on the map. Before we jump over to the real-time radar, we'll look at the wind chills: -4 Joplin, -3 Tulsa, -8 Oklahoma City, and as you work your way northwest, it drops off dramatically, and those wind chills are going to slowly start working their way into our area overnight tonight. I think most of us are going to be in the negative value for low temperature and probably teens, maybe 20s below zero for wind chills. So definitely a scary night if you're out and about. All right, looking at the snow a little closer here. Level 2 radar out of Tulsa. We've got some bands working through far southeastern Kansas, northeastern Oklahoma, and north or southwestern Missouri. Really along I-44 there, and then we have another band that's over by Bartlesville, and then some approaching the Tulsa area. The darker purple areas are the ones that you're going to see these limited visibilities. Um, and it's probably going to get worse as we get through the rest of today. Switching over to the model, this is the latest HRRR. We'll just play this through here. 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. I do want to point out, like northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, far southern Missouri, these are some very heavy bands of snow. So we may see like a meso discussion come out from the Weather Prediction Center on these. And then as you work your way along north of I-44, those bands just continue. 10 o'clock tonight, we start seeing more heavy bands of snow move through the area. The sleet and the ice, that's going to stay south of us. Not worried about that at all. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8. And that's as far as the current model goes, till 8 in the morning. So we still have widespread snow across the area. All right, that's it for the 4 o'clock update. Thanks for watching.